Hey, what's up guys, Min here from DentalTechTips, and today we're doing an unboxing video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so let's dive right in. Well, the product we have here today is the Keypolish kit by Keystone Industries. If you haven't been living under a rock for the last little while, you'll know that Keysplint Soft has taken the market by storm. It's one of the most popular splint resins on the market today. Comes in clear exclusively for carbon printers, and in like a violet blue tint for all the other open printers. We've done thousands of these and they're really popular with all of our dentists and patients. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. Of course, we have their muslin buffs. A couple different sizes. 42. Get two of those. Tripoli. Polystar pink for mirror finish. We have our cotton yarn buff. Oh, beige polishing paste. Says Keystone right on there. And then of course you have your Scotch-Brite wheels. We use these quite a bit, not just for Keysplint, but a whole bunch of other stuff. This one here is your blue disc. So there you have it. That's pretty much everything that comes inside the kit. I think it's a pretty good value, and it's a good way to get started if you follow the polishing protocol that they have up on their YouTube channel there. So there you have it. Keypolish. Exciting stuff. I'll hopefully get around to doing a full review at some point. Alright, thanks for watching. For all the latest and greatest in dental technology, stick with DentalTechTips.